Jeeps really don't have a lot of room to put all your stuff. So I'm going to share with you my top 5 storage solutions for your Jeep Wrangler. Hey everyone, I'm Tammy, aka Jeep Mama, and several years ago I shared a video, my top 5 storage solutions for the Jeep Wrangler. I figured now is a good time to give you an update, several years later, on how those storage solutions are working out for me. My number 5 storage solution is the Spiderwebshade Grab Bag. I stopped using this grab handle holder. It's a great idea when you don't have passengers ride with you. However, when you have a passenger, it just gets in the way. Number 4 is this MOLLE seat back panel from Blue Ridge Overland Gear. I still use this, sometimes in the front seat, sometimes in the back of the front seat, and sometimes on the back of the rear seat. My third storage solution is the MOLLE bags. I have all different sizes of them and they go all over my Jeep. I still use these MOLLE bags. They are so versatile and can be used all over my Jeep, from the seat back panel to the MORryde ammo can carriers and my over-the-head shelf, which is another great storage solution for your Jeep Wrangler. My number 2 storage solution idea is this MORryde ammo can carrier. I still use these and love all the storage areas they provide. Check out my first video for more on this storage solution for your Jeep Wrangler. The link is in the description below. My number 1 Jeep Wrangler storage solution, MOLLE tailgate panel by Justice Off-Road. I still use the rear tailgate panel. However, when I've been out camping on the trails, there have been times when I've thought, gosh, I really could use a fold-down table here. After many years on the trails all over the country, I have found the number 1 storage solution for me is under my seats, the rear and front. It's where I keep all my recovery gear, from my recovery strap to my soft shackles to my high lift jack. My top 5 storage solutions updated for your 4-door Jeep Wrangler. If you want more information on any of these products, check out the description below or head over to my blog at jeepmama.com and click on the build section. For more Jeep Life with Jeep Mama, head over to my blog at jeepmama.com.